Ever hit confirm purchase online only to have your payment fail? It's frustrating, especially when you're trying to snag a limited time deal or book that dream flight. For many YouTrip users, the multi-currency wallet is a game changer for overseas spending and online shopping. But what happens when your ambitions exceed your digital wallet's capacity? You might find yourself scratching your head, wondering, is there a limit to YouTrip online transactions? The short answer is yes, there are limits. But it's not as straightforward as a single, fixed number. YouTrip, like any responsible financial service, has various limits in place designed for both your security and regulatory compliance. These limits are actually quite flexible and can often be adjusted to suit your needs. Understanding them is key to a seamless shopping experience and avoiding those dreaded failed transaction messages. So, let's break down the different facets of YouTrip's transaction limits for online purchases. Firstly, there's the online transaction limit itself. As of a recent update, YouTrip has a default online transaction limit of 1,000 Singapore dollars. This means that if you're trying to buy something online for 1,500 Singapore dollars, your transaction will likely be declined unless you've adjusted this setting. But here's the good news, this default isn't set in stone. You can actually increase it within the YouTrip app. The options typically allow you to raise this limit to 5,000 Singapore dollars or even remove it entirely, effectively setting it to your wallet limit. This brings us to the next important limit, your YouTrip wallet limit. This refers to the maximum amount of money you can hold in your YouTrip wallet at any given time, across all currencies. Currently, this stands at a generous 20,000 Singapore dollars. So, if you've set your online transaction limit to no limit, your spending cap for a single online purchase would then be tied to the funds available in your wallet, up to that 20,000 Singapore dollar maximum. Beyond individual transaction and wallet holding limits, there's also an annual spending limit. YouTrip allows you to spend up to 100,000 Singapore dollars within a 365-day period, starting from your first top-up. This annual limit is a cumulative figure, encompassing all your spending, both online and physical, over that rolling year. It's a significant amount, catering to even the most frequent international travelers and online shoppers. It's also worth noting that YouTrip has top-up limits. While these aren't directly online transaction limits, they impact how much you can put into your wallet to facilitate your online purchases. For most top-up methods like PayNow or linked bank cards, you can top up to 20,000 Singapore dollars. However, if you link a bank account, there might be a daily top-up limit of 5,000 Singapore dollars, depending on the limit you set with your bank. To manage these limits, YouTrip has made it quite user-friendly within their app. You simply head to the More icon, then Wallet and Transactions Limit, and from there you can adjust your online transaction limit. It's a quick process, though do keep in mind that for certain limit increases, a 12-hour cooling-off period might apply for security reasons. This is a crucial feature designed to protect your funds from unauthorized access. So, while there are limits, YouTrip empowers you with the flexibility to set them according to your spending habits. Whether you're making small daily purchases or splurging on a big-ticket item online, understanding these limits and how to adjust them ensures a smooth and secure experience. It's all about putting you in control of your cross-border spending. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.